Well, what I love about teaching the boys science is I love to see that aha moments on their faces when they suddenly understand something. Especially when you're doing a demonstration in front of them, something you've been explaining in theory and they haven't understood what you've been saying, and then suddenly you do this demonstration and you can just see the lights turn on in their eyes. Demonstration that I like to do that the boys absolutely love the most, and they nag and nag and nag for every single year, they almost know from grade 8 that this demonstration is coming, is we go to the swimming pool and we get big chunks of sodium and we throw sodium into the pool. Group 1 metals are notoriously reactive. So when we put sodium in water, it forms sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. And what happens is with the heat of the reaction, the hydrogen catches a light, and that's the explosion that the boys see. That's what I love about teaching. I love that about the Cambridge system, that it allows us to do these different demonstrations. It allows us to get into the lab to do different practicals. So that is what I enjoy about the system.